Hi everyone, I'm Bruce Swartz. Thanks so much for the interest, for stopping by, for commenting, for joining the community, guys, in the search for life, alien life, not that far away either. You can only imagine if billions and billions of planets and galaxies and stars, whatever you want, are out there. How can we be the only ones as a species here alone on one planet? You know, I highly doubt that. Already now, finding organic matter on Mars. I love it. I'm so happy they did. At least admitting that. You know, come on. I mean, I know for a fact in my soul and in my heart that the moon has organic matter too. That green that we are seeing are all over the surface. We could see it as a foundation on the moon, on the lunar surface. Now here's the thing. What about, oh, we can hear the birds. Yes, finally some sun out. I am filming the sun too, guys. I'm trying to get some sun footage, but not a lot happening for me on my end anyways. Here's the Apennine Mountains. We're going to get some nice close-ups inside of this footage here in the video. Welcome everyone. Thanks for taking the time to check out my research. We're going to see in a couple of moments between Proclus crater and Mare Serenitatis. It often looks like a flat surface. Most of the areas on the surface of the moon look like flat surfaces until we get some light in on dark areas, etc. You know, when we fix it up, edit it, you know, contrast, whatever you need, tints, hues, check it out. This natural color and in color, and right here, this is under Mare Crisium, near Mare Fecunditatis. It's to the right of Mare Serenitatis, east of Mare Serenitatis, right here. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love seeing this area, and I've been trying to clarify it all week, as I've always been trying to do different areas, clarify areas that we don't often see very well. And it shows us that there are other descending levels on the surface of the moon. You know, just recently, actually in 2000, I think it was the end of 2017, or just recently at the beginning of 2018, NASA mentioned that the moon had descending levels that went all the way down 10,000 feet and possibly even deeper. overall incredible surface. We're going to see something pretty amazing here. We're going to close up, zoom up real close, and here, look at the connections. What are these long lines that are going inside of the crater? It looks like it's going in the ground, and it goes outwards, and they're elevated. They look like bridges. Why do I say bridges? I mean, they're just floating, right? They can't be just floating. They're, you know, connected to something. And look all along the craters here. So when I zoom up real close into this footage and slow it down a lot and add a lot more contrast and try to sharpen it, and we can see UFOs. And they're so close to the surface, it's not easy to see. But by me telling you this, it's to try to give you guys an idea of exactly, you know, why we're seeing my footage of UFOs the way I'm presenting it, because I'm really close in, and we're actually seeing a smoke or a haze. That's definite. It's confirmed. I'm confirming it. I can see it, and you know, you can't help but wonder, could it be cloud cover? So we talk about atmosphere on the surface. Like again, John Lear mentions possibly 65% of an atmosphere more elevated than was said, and, you know, leaving them, NASA not being able to do the missions they said that they have on the surface. There's many things stopping the astronauts from going to the moon. Kevin Macleod, I love you, man. Thanks for joining the community. Thanks for being there, man. Thanks to people like you, this channel has a chance. Welcome.